Nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal.
I'm gonna smoke them. What's up, guys? Welcome back to JS Detailing. I'm Joel. That's James. After I smoked him, got it up on 2 wheels.
Bro, you went on one. You didn't even give me a countdown.
It's green, I'm going for it.
Okay.
We're gonna do essentially the same thing we did to that car. In this one, we're gonna do a full front end, hood, bumper, headlights, mirrors, everything. And then we're also doing the track pack. That'll include the A-pillars, the roof line, this lower rocker and splitter area. Then we're also gonna do exo shield on it. That really kind of rounds off everything this customer wants. He didn't want any of the other services that we provide, just the film. So pretty quick, simple install. I would say easy. It's not really that easy, but we've learned a few different tricks off doing a lot of other C8s that we kind of know where we need to add more film and seam lines and kind of hide lines. So we're gonna get to work on this, I think it's called Amplify Orange C8, and get it protected.
And the worst part about them is the mirrors being like 6 pieces, and then all those black accents up front are each individually pieced. So lots of tedious stuff on the C8, just like the black wings. They all have just so many little tiny pieces of PPF to put on there that takes forever.
We're not gonna debadge this one. He was afraid that the badge might mess up the vinyl stripe or something like that. So we're just gonna lay, I mean, our program cuts out pretty tight around there, but we're just gonna lay around the badge and over the film on this one.